Tēnā koe and welcome to my portfolio practicum plan. This video is just going to give you a bit of direction about how to use my practicum plan and where to find things. So obviously the video will go on this part here once it's finished. Then if it's quite a simple layout, it just goes downwards and everything's just on one page. So if you want to see a self-reflection video on my personal and professional context, it's here. Then the next one is the Mawhai webbing about my professional identity and network through the learning. That's the actual piece of paper. Then on the other side you've got the loom and the weave and the warp and the weft and the weavers. If you'd like to look at that in more detail. Then in this area here you've got my draft and final documents. They can be downloaded quite easily just by clicking on them. Then you've also got my draft practicum document feedback. This has just been done on a live Google Docs, which you can just scroll down. At the top I've just written who's given me the feedback and just general if they're an RTV and where they work. Then I've got a summary of my feedback, and that was done in video form. Then I've also got resources to curate and develop, which is also in video format, and another video for reflections on opportunities and challenges. I hope you enjoy looking at my first assignment for the year. Thank you.